This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cynthia Terrazzano. This 4-bedroom, 2-bath single-family home is a gardener's dream. Bright and spacious, sitting on a beautiful oversized lot, overlooking the pool and gardens. The split floor plan allows a private master suite area. Home has vaulted ceilings, newer kitchen and appliances. Beautiful neighborhood with low HOA fee, which includes a playground, tennis courts and pool area. Close proximity to shopping, dining and the beach. Come make this your forever home. For more information, review the details below or contact Cynthia Terrazzano at 561-445-0248.